Relocating to Austria within a mere 6 weeks in 2024 is a challenge that demands meticulous planning, swift decision-making, and a clear understanding of the legal and logistical steps involved. This guide aims to break down this ambitious goal into manageable tasks, ensuring you can navigate the process efficiently and effectively. The journey begins with a deep dive into Austria's visa requirements, particularly focusing on the red-white-red card, which caters to highly qualified workers, skilled workers in shortage occupations, and other key categories. The Austrian government's official website is an invaluable resource for this information, offering clarity on the categories and the documentation required. Simultaneously, start gathering necessary documents, including proof of accommodation, health insurance, and evidence of financial means. According to the Austrian embassy, applicants must demonstrate financial stability, typically around €1,000 per month, to support their stay. This early stage is crucial for setting a solid foundation for your application, so double-check document requirements to avoid any delays. By the third week, your focus should shift to securing accommodation. Austria's competitive housing market, especially in urban areas, requires prompt action. Utilize online platforms like Scout24 and Willhaben to find suitable listings. Remember, rental costs can vary significantly, with city center one-bedroom apartments costing between €700 to €1,200 monthly. Securing accommodation is not only a visa requirement, but also a practical necessity for your relocation. Parallel to your accommodation search, finalize your visa application. Ensure all documents are correctly filled out and submit your application as soon as possible. Given processing times can vary, contacting the Austrian embassy or consulate directly to inquire about expedited processing options could be beneficial, especially when working within a 6-week timeframe. With your visa application underway, turn your attention to healthcare. If you're moving for employment, confirm your enrollment in Austria's public health insurance system through your employer. Otherwise, arrange for private health insurance that meets the Austrian government's requirements, ensuring coverage from the moment you arrive. This week is also an opportune time to start preparing for your integration into Austrian society. While not mandatory for all jobs, learning German can significantly enhance your experience. Look into language courses offered by the Austrian Integration Fund or online platforms to get a head start on language learning. In your final week before the move, focus on the logistics of relocating your belongings. Obtain quotes from several reputable international moving companies to find one that aligns with your budget and timing needs. Confirm all arrangements and ensure you have a clear plan for moving day. Additionally, familiarize yourself with Austria's tax system and the process for registering with local authorities upon arrival. Knowing these final steps in advance will smooth your transition into your new Austrian life. Achieving a move to Austria within 6 weeks in 2024 is an ambitious endeavor that requires diligent preparation and a proactive approach. By systematically addressing each step, from understanding visa requirements to tackling the logistics of moving, you can make this rapid transition a reality. Thank you for joining us on this detailed journey towards relocating to Austria. With careful planning and a clear timeline, moving to this beautiful European country can be an exciting and seamless experience. Stay tuned for more practical guides and insights to assist you in your international relocation adventures.